In this video, I will show you how to get Perplexity Pro for free for up to 2 years if you are a student. Normally, if you have an education email ID, you get 1 month of free access of Perplexity Pro, which costs $20 per month. But after watching this tutorial, you can extend that up to 24 months, which is almost worth $480. You can see I'm already using the Perplexity browser called Comet with my student ID, and if you don't have an account already, you can just create one using the special invitation link in the description of this video. I have already made a step-by-step tutorial on how to do that. You will find the link to the video in the description as well, so check it out before starting this method. Once you have created your account, tap on your profile icon, click on Pro Perks and scroll below to the promotion section. Here, you will find a special referral offer that lets you earn up to 24 free months of Pro. Click on View Offer to open it. You will see your personal referral link here. You can copy it instantly or send invites directly by entering a friend's email. When someone signs up through your link and verifies the student status, they will gain 1 free month of Pro, and you will also be credited with a free month at the same time, and neither you nor your friend will need to pay anything because you will be using your student ID. Scroll below and you will find a referral dashboard where you can keep track of how many people you have invited and how many months of Pro you have stacked up. At first, it will show 0, but as your friends start joining, the numbers will update, and you can see the maximum limit is 24 months, which is 2 years. So you can share your link and encourage friends to sign up for free, and you will also get free access to the Pro plan for 1 month for every one friend that you refer. So this was everything about how to get Perplexity Pro for free for 2 years. If you want to show your friends how they can create their free account, you can check the video on your screen right now. If you liked this video, then do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such helpful videos. Thanks for watching.